Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. And yes, we are doing this. We're going to be consistent. We're going to be posting. We're going to actually do this. And this is my first video. And in this video, basically from the title, as you can tell, I'm going to show you guys how to do a full wig install using our products. And if you want to purchase, look in the description. The link to our website will be there where you can shop our glue, mousse, or any product that you see, any product that we have, you can shop using the link in the bio. I'm going to try to answer all the questions that are usually asked. Just how do we use the product? Just how do we know if you're applying the glue correctly? Everything is going to be answered in this video, so keep watching and take out your notes if you want to learn some tips and tricks on what I do during the install to get that melted finish look. Usually sorry y'all, I'm sick, but usually I'll have one-on-one classes or virtual paid classes, but I'm like, nah, let me drop a YouTube video for y'all. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you guys want more of this. Let me know what type of content you guys want. Subscribe for more, because I'm going to try to post every single day. It's 2025, so let's make this a new thing. So before we get ahead and get into this video on how to use the products, right now I'm customizing my client's hairline to how I would like it and how also, I forgot to mention we are having a 60% off sale on our bundle deal kit. So basically it has all of our lace products, and the original price is $179, but it's 60% off, so it is down to $72 only. It's for a limited time only. So go ahead and shop all of our products for a great deal. And if you just want to try our singular products, we have the Extreme Lace Grip Glue, the Lace Dissolver, we have the Melt Mousse. Everything is in stock for half off also on the website. Here in this video right now, I am customizing my client's hairline, prepping it for the installation because I want it to look flawless before I begin to melt the lace. Before you start applying your lace glue, you need to make sure you are wiping off your skin with either a facial toner or something that is not too harsh on the skin. Some people like to use alcohol, but I don't really recommend. I would use Sea Breeze, and I'll go in with our Skin Guard, which is basically a skin guard that comes with the glue to protect your skin from any harsh tension from the glue. So it's important to clean your skin properly so that the glue can actually work, because if you have any sweat or any dirt or makeup and you're not cleaning this, your install will not work. Your install will not last no matter how good the glue is. So this step is very important. And as you can see, I went ahead and started to apply the glue. I'm applying in very thin layers. As you can tell, the side I just applied the glue on is already dry. So you have to kind of work fast, because the formula we have dries very clear and very fast. So you have to basically spread it in a way where you're working fast, if you guys understand what I mean. So when applying, just be gentle. Make sure you're applying thin layers. Make sure you're applying enough. I like to just do dots, or sometimes I'll kind of spread it, just so sometimes I can get the cap extra down. I like the cap extra melted. Everybody has their own method. This is just my method, and I like to use a back of a comb and just clean it afterwards before you get to the next client. But yeah, I do this about 4 to 5 times. Just so I know that my client's wig is going to last them. You can get away with 3 But if you really want your install to last, just do thin layers and keep going 4 to 5 times. Even after me applying so many layers, you guys can still see how thin it is. I'm still going in, applying more. Make sure you get in the corners so your sides are not lifting. Is very important. And when you're spreading, make sure you're spreading in a way where you're spreading like butter. Do not leave clumps on the hairline. Do not make it look patchy. Just spread it like you're spreading butter on the bread. Just easily, seamlessly, and make sure you're doing that all across the hairline. Once it dries, just repeat till you are satisfied. 5-6 is like the most I would recommend anybody to go with glue, because we want our wigs to last us, but come on, y'all. Like, we just want a good glue that's just gonna not break out your skin. This glue is not gonna break out your skin, and it's gonna give you a good hold. It's not a year hold, but it's a 1 month hold that will guarantee you be satisfied. I've worked on this formula for a long time, so I know you guys are going to love it. Here are some questions that most people always ask about our glue, and hope this answers everything. Is it safe for sensitive skin? Yes, our extreme laid grip glue is designed to be gentle on the skin, so it doesn't have any type of latex. So if you're allergic or you have any allergies, you are good and it's safe. But however, as always, I always say do a patch test 24 hours to make sure that it's good with your skin. But from our tests and so many research and formulas, we know that it is safe for all skin, but you just never know. So you could always do a 24-hour test to make sure that it's good. The second question is, how long does the glue hold in place? So with the glue, if you apply properly as shown in this video, as you can tell, as I'm going in thin layers, making sure it's dry and clear, spreading it like butter before going down, it should last you 2 to 6 weeks. I've had people give me great reviews about how long it lasts them. Now, all glue is not for everybody, but this formula is to work for almost everybody. So hopefully this works for you. Does it dry clear? Yes, it dries clear, and it dries very fast. So you have to work fast. The next question is it waterproof? Is it sweatproof? Yes, it is waterproof and it is sweatproof. You can, in fact, shower with your wig on. You can swim with your wig on, as long as you are making sure you're doing the aftercare properly, such as coming out and drying your lace and tying it back down, and kind of like, just touching it back up and making sure that it is still neat and your hair is dry, the lace is dry, and the glue can actually continue working. So yes, it is waterproof and it is sweatproof. I would say the only thing with the sweatproof is that, you can have your wig on after, the gym and stuff, but sometimes when you sweat so much, it can cause your lace to turn black after a while. How to properly apply the glue in this video, as you guys are watching, just keep watching exactly how I'm doing it and everything, and this is how I properly apply the glue, and this is how you should properly apply the glue. How to remove the glue safely: we do have our laid remover, my grip release, which is available online. You can use that to remove. If you don't have that near you, you can also just use some conditioner, let it sit, and gently just take it off. You can use it on all lace types. HD lace, transparent lace. It doesn't damage edges or natural hair. It's made to be safe. It actually slides off the lace and is very easy to come off. You can reapply the glue without cutting the lace. It doesn't have a strong smell. And we have the glue available in all sizes. So right now, as you can tell, it's important to go back in to make sure that your install actually lasts. So go back in the corners that matter. Do not leave those corners. Do not just spray it down with some melting spray and be like, oh yeah, it's all good, like, my client will know, or no, this is all part of the reason why sometimes your installs won't last, because the base is strong but the edges aren't, so it weakens the entire install. Make sure you go back in. I've made it easier. We have many tiny pens. You can go in and, fill those spots up. Go back in like 2-3 times to make sure it's really down. And trust me, doing these tips and tricks would ensure that your install lasts you. With one bottle, you can get about 10 to 20 uses. We have large sizes. Our large sizes are squeezable bottles, so you can use it directly from the bottle, no matter how big the bottle is. It's beginner friendly. It's for experienced hairstylists in the game. I feel like anybody can use it. You just need to, know how to know that your technique works with the glue. You can wear makeup and have your skin products with it. Once again, just make sure you're being clean and you are good to go. So these are all the questions that most people ask me. If you guys have more questions, feel free to comment them down below. And was done applying the glue and securing everything, I went ahead and put the band, and I put my client in the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that her lace is down. Like, in order to get the melt look, I'm telling y'all, the trick is in the band. You need to tie that band. Stop being scared to tie the band. And look at how it looks, y'all. And this is after the lace is over. So the lace is over, really just melts it, stamps it in your skin. Like, it just stamps it in your skin. And this do the baby hairs using our glueless melt mousse. Our glueless melt mousse, I use them for baby hairs because I love how fluffy it gets it without the little crunchy residue. So I love our glueless mousse for that, and I also use it for our glueless installs for like the melt finish. But in this video, we're gonna use it for the baby hair. So enjoy, y'all. this is how it came out. So basically how I use the product is once I apply it and mold it, I put my client under the dryer. So yes, I do put the band back on. And once I take them out, I just go ahead and just use my tweezers to just fluff out the edges, kind of style it how I would like it. I comb it out, and the mousse just gives it that natural mold effect. And that's what I love about the mousse. And this is my beautiful client after. She looks so pretty. And this is her first wig install. I was just amazing that she picked me for her first install. She looks absolutely beautiful. And you guys, once again, like this video if you guys want more videos. And I hope I gave you guys enough information. I'm gonna keep doing more videos like this to kind of keep you guys in the loop on how to use the products, because yeah, I think these are amazing products and I've been using them for so long, and I keep updating it as I go. So being able to have other people use this to add on to their technique is just a blessing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I appreciate the support. Thank you so much. Have a blessed night. Bye bye. Blessed night, day, afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. All right, bye, y'all.